We call it Rusk ID Illuminating Colour Gloss. Our model Ted has level 2 naturally pigmented hair, but essentially his hair is 99% white. The result, as we said, is a maximum coverage, vibrant luminous colour, and a colour that will really last. In our Rusk ID ads we state that no one this side of a cosmetic surgeon has more power than a stylist to enhance a person's appearance. With Rusk ID you just get more power. Now let's deal with a situation which is challenging to even the most experienced colourist, the colour back. Typically in this situation a client has excessively highlighted her hair, performed her own hair lightening, or for whatever reason has arrived at a light shade which she is unhappy with. Our model Kristen has heavily highlighted hair of varying tones. The result is a beautiful, natural colour. This gets the client back to her natural colour, but preserves enough lightness through her now blended highlights that she isn't shocked by the transition. Our model Jessica has just received an anti-curl, and we want to bring some rich colour and vibrancy to her light brown hair, which has some grown out highlights. The end results are stunning. Anti-curl and Rusk ID go hand in hand to produce exciting new texture and colour on virtually any hair type. Our model Audra has medium brown hair with highlights. She wants to get away from the brassy highlighted look, but doesn't want to go back to natural. The result is a beautiful knockout red that has the support of the low lights to give it depth and dimension. Our model Brooke has hair which has been lightened and left untoned. She's not happy with the yellow and would like it softened. As you can see, the hair is now toned to a wonderful pale neutral blonde. See how subtle you can be with Rusk ID? Our model Jessica coloured her hair at home using an ammoniated colour. Her natural colour is a dark brown and the ends have faded to a brassy light brown. She wants to go back to her darker colour, but wants a bit of pizzazz. The end result? Wonderful, vibrant colour from scalp to ends. And because we processed our Firmplex assisted formula with heat, it's a colour that will last.
I have a little Rusk bit for you. Did you know that Irvin Rusk revolutionized hairdressing in 1984 when he invented the reeving shear, which brought about all of today's wonderful texturized movable shapes? Thank you, Irvin.
Today we will introduce you to some innovative and useful salon highlighting techniques. Everything from very subtle shade changes to today's most fashionable looks. At the heart of these creations is our new Rusk ID Illuminating Lightener. ID Illuminating Lightener is a fast-acting and truly dust-free decolorizer. You can use it on or off scalp to create virtually any lightening effect you choose to perform.
She said, you can do anything you want. She said,